welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Convocation Day celebrated at Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. HPC leaders meet Chief Secretary to discuss relocation challenges. KHADC enforcement targets vehicle smuggling by foreigners. And Chief Minister inaugurates workshop on mineral resources in Shillong. And now the news in detail. Don Bosco Technical School (DBTS) held its annual Convocation Day at Don Bosco Hall, honoring students who completed various ITI programs including electrician, MMV, woodwork, welder, mechanist, sewing technology, stenography and DTP. The event featured Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon, MP Lok Sabha as the chief guest, welcomed by Principal Reverend Shining Star Dakhar, Rector Reverend Saji and Reverend Khuborjylla. In his address, Principal Dakhar emphasized the significance of Convocation Day, encouraging graduates to exemplify hard work and dedication in their future careers. Dr. Sinkon praised the school's efforts in skill development, urging students to aim high and impact Meghalaya's future positivity. Certificates were awarded to graduates, marking their readiness to embark on various career paths. The celebration concluded with vibrant performances by students showcasing their artistic talents and school spirit.
Of Don Bosco, which was founded by Saint John Bosco, am I right? In the 19th century, was the foundation of Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, more than 100 years ago, was laid, I'm sure, with the purpose of imparting technical as well as vocational education to young people of the region and particularly of this great place of ours, Meghalaya, and more so to those who come from the disadvantaged background. I hope I'm right. Well, this is a great mission, a mission to provide quality education combined with skill to empower the youth. And this very much is in alignment with the philosophy of Saint John Bosco, who believed in educating the whole person. This collaboration also do provide students with opportunities for internship as well as placements. From my side, let me say that I greatly appreciate DBTS, for not just for technical education that you've been, imparting, but also even moral and ethical development of your students by promoting discipline, integrity, and moral responsibility to your students. Well, as you stand here today, you as an institute, the students, you have not only acquired technical skills, but you have also, through your teachers, through your
Master Mukim, Safina Huntaba, Ronaldo Tumpun, Anthony Korba, Jovinal William Pada, Kunpamlang Walang, Jimres Kongliam, Johanan Gudan, Jeffrey Nyang, Bamut Janai Nongrang, Bapenkemen Lang Maulong, Garrett Hubertson, Blessing Star, Karthang Mao, Zakario Karni Basai.
Leaders of the Harijan Panchayat Committee (HPC) met with Chief Secretary Ba DP Walang at the Secretariat to address the ongoing relocation of 342 households from Maulong Market. The meeting included a group of supporters from Amritsar, highlighting the issue's broader support. Despite discussions, significant challenges remain unresolved. The HPC previously requested a decision by the end of September, but progress is stalled due to the involvement of other groups. The relocation plan aimed at ensuring the safe and secure transition of families to a state-prepared site is still pending.
साथ में रखेंगे और उसके बाद में फिर जो चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब बताएंगे हमें फिर दोबारा मीटिंग होगी
क्या क्या डिस्कशन हुआ था
It's a part of an ongoing discussion which is going on, and the SGPC leadership comprising of the General Secretary Sir Rajinder Singh Mehta, the former Bhagwan Singh Syalka and Gurinder Singh, and myself, I am just an activist, Jagmohan Singh. We have presented our viewpoint, and it is still in infancy as to what is going to happen. So we are not in a position to share anything with the media at this stage. We are only saying that it's a very constructive meeting that we had, and we are very hopeful that this problem of the residents of Punjabi Lan will be solved sooner than later.
So do you feel, because we are seeing participation from outside, activists from outside of the state coming in to discuss about this, why is it that it's concerning you all?
It concerns us because these Sikhs have come 200 years ago from Punjab. Their homeland is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner.
The proposal has been placed by the government. Isn't that satisfactory level at all?
It's not fully satisfactory. Therefore, we are raising some concerns, which is under discussion, and I'm sure that we will be able to iron out a good solution.
This process should be done by September 30th. Whether the government made that point of view.
Maybe time may extend the person. We are coming from Sri Akal Takht Sahib, the highest temporal seat of Sikhs, and every issue may be arise in any.
In a bid to combat vehicle smuggling by foreigners, the enforcement police of the KHADC conducted thorough checks on foreign drivers' documents. This included reviewing trading licenses, labor licenses, and employee clearance certificates. The initiative aims to curb the illicit income of foreigners and protect council tax revenues. KHADC officers inspected vehicle license plates across various locations including Ranja, Lajumkhra, Dhankiti and Nomensong. The operation underscores the Council's commitment to ensuring compliance with regulations and maintaining the integrity of local governance. On 25th September, Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma inaugurated a workshop titled Enhancing Mineral Exploration through NMET, organized by the Directorate of NMET and the Mineral Resources Department. During his address, the Chief Minister emphasized the importance of balancing mineral resource exploration with environmental protection, advocating for sustainable practices. He also launched the State Geological and Mineral Map of Meghalaya, along with the Meghalaya Minerals Database, tools aimed at improving resource management. The workshop was attended by experts from various organizations, including NESAC, NMET, the Ministry of Coal and the Geological Survey of India, alongside state government officials. This initiative reflects the government's commitment to responsible mineral development in Meghalaya.
That from the very beginning, I remember in 2018, in my first term, when I had taken over as Chief Minister, we had a very, very crucial problem in front of us in regards to the coal mining issues that we had, and how we had environmental issues, scientific mining issues. We had issues about land ownership and constitutional protection, and different aspects of mining that were related to in the coal sector. And obviously during that time also, and I remain with the same stand even today, is that while we are exploring and the need to explore and mine the different resources for the overall development of our state and our country, we also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology, minimize the impact on the environment. I think that is very important to also remember. I know that there will always be a choice we'll have to make at a certain point, or a certain, we have to draw the line somewhere in one way. But I think it's important that we as stakeholders cannot completely ignore that aspect, is what I'm saying. And it's important that sustainability and the future generation and how we mine should be part of this. And that's why NGT and others have played their role. And obviously we are working together with every stakeholder. We're working closely with the Mines Ministry, with the Coal Ministry, to ensure that that balance is maintained. And I think the most critical word today, which I would like to leave all of you with, is the word balance.
The lack of staff and the absence of a block development officer BDO for over 3 years at Rambrai CNRD block have created significant challenges for local residents. On 25th September, leaders from the HYC Rambrai Circle and the HYC President from West Khasi Hills District met with ADC by HK Thaba to address these issues. Thaba confirmed that interviews will soon be conducted to fill vacancies in both the Rambrai and Rimulyang blocks. A full-time BDO has been appointed to oversee the Rambrai block and will temporarily manage the Rimulyang block, aiming to restore operational efficiency.
Din banyaliyok bani kenduk yang si ting so ba ai khublai ni ko ai sar chungi bi si ba ila kular khon chungi ba hadin ba ila deban interview but dal dep interview unsa pha no i chong tre po blok chungi ba ki kam ba ngaliang chong i le simphia ya kana kam ba kam chungi ru kin khamsuk ba kin long ki ba ya ba je te ba ya ki ba ba chong dong khathai pro awai.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again. Thank you for watching.